Okay, folks, I'm back here with another video, and this time around, it's about the deals on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, we already did the one on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, that amazing deal with $800 off and $50 for the Buds Pro, which normally costs $200. So you're saving $800, that's $950, and then you get an additional 25% off that. S23 Ultra deal is just insane. It's still running now today, by the way. So if you want to go ahead and hit that up, I'm also going to have that link in the description. But anyway, so the link also for this deal, for the one for the Z Fold 5, is going to be in the description here. You get up to $1,000 using the special link, the special affiliate link that I'm going to have in the description. You get up to $1,000 off the Galaxy Z Fold 5 here, and on top of that, you get an upgrade with the internal storage. Rather than getting the 256 gigs, you get the 512 gigs of internal storage, and then you get an additional $1,000 off, trade-in. The trade-ins with this particular flash deal is just insane. Make sure that you hop on that before it disappears. As you know, Samsung would normally have some of their best deals before even the actual holidays here, so make sure to hop on that. And on top of that, just like it was the case with the S23 Ultra, you get to have an additional 25% off if you're a student. I believe students and also teachers, I believe it's an education discount, right? So you get 25% off on top of, getting $1,000 off, and then getting to pay only $49.99 for, the Galaxy Buds Pro. So you're saving a ton of money. You're saving what, $11.50 plus another 25% off of whatever you pay. I don't know. The calculations, it's just too much. So to those of you who are currently looking to pick up a foldable, and by the way, this is the best mainstream foldable, because I know a lot of people are going to be like, well, what about this one that's made over there? Of course, there are other foldables overseas, but for the US market, this is the best mainstream one right now. We get a little bit more competition, with OnePlus making it, and other manufacturers, bringing their foldables in the US. But so far, this is the best, loaded with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And by the way, when I say the best, some people tend to just compare like hardware. I typically talk about comprehensive package. What Samsung is doing with its philosophy on the foldable, along with the software support, the ecosystem, it has so many variables that you need to consider, and that's why it is still the best, right? Another one is going to come out with better hardware, but everything else is going to be horrible. So that's something to keep in mind. Anyways, I've already made review videos on this and comparison videos, so if you want to learn more about the Z Fold 5 here, make sure to watch those. I just wanted to go ahead and share this deal here. If you want to go and buy that from Best Buy, you'll be paying, I don't want to misquote here, I'm also going to have the link to the Best Buy, but the first thing you need to do is the first link, go to Samsung, save this, even if you need to go ahead and watch the video before you come back and purchase, or if you want to do some additional research before you purchase. By the way, keep in mind that if you buy, when you buy these, you can always return them, right? One thing that I like to tell people is buy it. You are in the market for a phone or for a tablet, you need one, you don't know if you're going to like it, go ahead and buy it. And then if you don't like it, just return it, right? You have 14 days. Samsung is going to give you all your money back. And then after these deals expire, of course, you want to hop on this before it does. So after it expires, I'm going to continue to track to see what else is out there, and I'm going to share with you. Again, link in the description. Let me know what any questions you have. Share this video if you know anyone who would be interested, of course. Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, so that you don't miss out on any of the deals coming up. I'm going to be doing daily videos like this, sharing deals, given that this is the holiday. So we're going to see a lot of these Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, right? So make sure that you all subscribe to the channel. I'm going to catch you in the comment section. I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Up until that next video, of course, as always, stay safe out there.